Ew! What are you doing?
I don't know, man, but that boat's coming.
What are you doing, man?
Pooping.
It's you're naked. You can just see your white pearly ass.
Oh, this kid's going right in it. Oh, look at the Seagull!
Ew!
Oh.
Ew! That kid's kneeboarding. Or is he skiing?
Kneeboard.
That's a nice boat.
Oh. Now I'm peeing. He can't swim here.
Yeah, dude, that's so
No one
gross.
can. You can't swim
The
here?
bird is literally eating your shit.
The bird is eating your shit.
Ew.
He's probably grabbing that corn from last night.
I feel so relieved.
Just naked in the water.
Oh, it's awesome.
Watch out for that fish.
My penis.
Watch that fish. Watch out for the Seagull!
Oh, stop it! I'm about to sacrifice a pair of boxers.
To wipe your ass.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the box? No, those are my shorts!
These are pets! Don't fuck with them.
Whatever, dude. I thought you were using those. I was like, what the fuck? And quit